What legends are you doing? Drop a word in a comment so I know that you're here. Did you see photos of Trevi Fountain? It's really real and beautiful. A giant white Baroque masterpiece bursting out of a building with the water cascading down in shimmering layers. Trevi Fountain is full of a beautiful aspect and history. Let's start with a fun fact. The Trevi Fountain is the largest Baroque fountain in the Rome. It stands about 26 meters high and 49 meters wide, and it dominates the little square around it. How the fountain seems to fill the entire space. It filled the entire space with the movement, sound, and light. It's connected to a very old Roman water system. It's the grand endpoint of the Agovergo, an aqueduct built in 19 BC during the time of Emperor Augustus. It's a really beautiful name, Augustus. I like it. Constructing this fountain is newer than idea. The idea of building this channel of fresh water is really ancient, and that's the fascinating fact about this place. The Trevi Fountain finished in 1762 after many years of planning. The architect was associated with it Nicola Salvi, and after his death, Gaspar Panini helped to finish this project. All of those places has a history of construction. Do you want to know about Machu Picchu and Iran Place's construction? It's linked here on this page. Its style is late Baroque. It means it's a dramatic and full of movement. Its powerful figures and symbolic detail exist there. At the center of the fountain is Oceanus. Sometimes visitors describe it like a Neptune, the sea god. He stands in a shell-shaped carriage pulled by two seahorses and guided by tritons. And there is a symbolism that's really great. One seahorse is calm, the other is restless, and the tritons control them. Sea is sometimes peaceful, sometimes wild. It's a brilliant example of how Baroque art turns the fountain into history. There's a really strange thing on the name of Trevi Fountain. The original name was Trevia, but it became Trevi, and it means three roads in Italian. Fountain located where three streets meet, and Trevi attracts millions and millions and millions of visitors every year, and it's became one of the most photographed fountains on the earth. Thousands of people come every day just to take a photo, and the Trevi become the background of their photos. Another culture that is really famous in the world for Italia is coin toss. They say throw one coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to Rome. If you toss one coin, you'll return to Rome. If you toss two coins, you'll fall in love with an attractive Italian. Who's that lucky person? But if you toss three coins, you get married to that person. You don't want to go to Italia? No! People do it every day and every day. Thousands of people do it. And those coins collected by city officials for charity need. The Italy government decided the coins goes for charity needs, and who need to that money for everything. I suggest you the best time to visit Trevi Fountain. There's a two time for visiting: early morning and late at night. If you want your photo become greater, to become better, and if you want to become and go and visit everywhere of the Trevi Fountain, they suggest you two times: early morning and late at night. And they suggest even to visit two times this place: early morning and late at night, because they think there is the two scene of this place in the day of time. When you go there early morning, you will see, oh, it's really great, it's a rule, it's a beautiful. And when you go at night, You see, oh, it's a dramatic, it's a lovely place. Another important thing for historical places is restoration. Because of the water, pollution, weather, and millions of visitors all take a toll. They need to serve the place. The experts and officers try to restorations their places to make them safe until that you can go and visit there in the future. And the Trevi Fountain restored by really great experts, professional experts for multiply in a year. Do you know the Trevi Fountain has appeared in many films? But one of the most iconic scenes is from Federico Fellini's La Dolce Vita. I don't know I pronounced it right. If it isn't, I'm really sorry. I have several tips for you and several laws for Trevi Fountain. If you don't want to go there, it's good to hear it. Maybe you need it in other places. First, don't swim in the fountain. I don't know who really go and swim in the fountain. Is it real? I don't know. But don't swim. Second, don't sit on the edge unless it's allowed at the time. Be careful with the pickpockets in the crowded periods. Yes, when you go photographing or you want to take a photo or you're walking, check your pocket, check your bag. It's good to check it just for your heart. Go early if you want to take good photos. Really, when you go in the crowded in the middle of day or afternoon, there is many tourists there. And when you want to take a photo, oh sorry, I want to take a photo. Oh sorry, I want to take a photo. Can you go a little bit away? Yes, there is many problems for it. And when you want to take a photo in that time, you're just taking photo of people, not Trevi Fountain or yourself. And if you want to make a wish like I want to marry with that person or I want to fall in love Italia, never forget have your coin in your pocket. And the last chapter is Rome is a city where ancient infrastructure still matters, where art is never separate from daily life, where history is everywhere, and where even a fountain can become a global icon. Don't forget to subscribe me. Do you want to know about Turkey? The underground city of Drinkyu? Here are some videos of it. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe me. And until the next video, bye bye!